Welcome, and thank you for participating in the City of Cambridge's Grand Junction Multi-Use Path Project Virtual Open House. We've created an easy-to-navigate story map to show you how we have incorporated community input to develop a vision for the Grand Junction Multi-Use Path, located in the neighborhoods of Cambridgeport, Wellington Harrington, Kendall Square, and East Cambridge. Our goal is to provide you with the same information you'd receive in an in-person meeting and to capture your thoughts on the proposed design for the Grand Junction multi-use path and public spaces within the study area. Before you jump in, we'd like to go over some helpful steps for navigating the Grand Junction StoryMap website. To walk through the information we've shared on the site, use your mouse to scroll down or use the scroll bar on the right. Looking to jump quickly to a different section? You can use the navigation bar at the top of the screen to click and jump to different sections. Many sections of the story map have additional photos and content that you can access by clicking arrows to the right and left of the content. There is also an interactive map showing the proposed path design where you can add your comments to specific locations along the path. If you're visiting today from a mobile device, you might notice that our comment map looks a little different from our screenshots. If you need any additional assistance navigating the site, feel free to contact our project team. The contact information is at the end of this presentation. In addition to location-specific comments on the map, there are comment forms where you will have the opportunity to share additional thoughts. The map and all comment forms will be available for your input through Monday, January 4th, 2021. Prefer to print the open house materials rather than scroll through the site? We've included a link to a PDF version of this information below this video. The feedback doesn't end here. Please join us for a live virtual question and answer session with the project team on Tuesday, December 8th, 2020 from 5:30 to 7 o'clock p.m. We'll spend the first half hour going through the story map, explaining some features, and helping anyone who would like assistance navigating the story map. Thanks again for joining us on our story map site. We're looking forward to your comments.